The Canon EOS R1 represents a bold leap forward in professional photography, embodying the pinnacle of Canon's innovation, reliability, and performance. Announced in 2024, this flagship full-frame mirrorless camera is tailored for those who demand the very best: sports photographers freezing the split-second action of a goal, photojournalists capturing world events as they unfold, wildlife experts tracking elusive creatures, and event shooters preserving once-in-a-lifetime moments. At its heart lies a newly designed 24.2 megapixel full-frame back-illuminated stacked CMOS sensor. This advanced sensor architecture prioritizes speed and low-light performance, delivering a 2.8 millisecond readout, nearly twice as fast as its predecessor, the EOS R3. The result? Rolling shutter distortion is almost eliminated, allowing photographers to capture fast-moving subjects with clarity and precision. The sensor's pixel design offers a superior signal-to-noise ratio, ensuring clean, detailed images even at high ISO levels. Enhanced by a 16-point separation low-pass filter, it deftly minimizes moire and false colors, preserving sharpness in every frame. Canon's commitment to intelligent in-camera processing is evident in features like neural network noise reduction, which polishes images at high ISO without sacrificing detail. For those needing higher resolution, deep learning-based upscaling can transform a 24 MP image into a 96 MP file in seconds, offering flexibility for large prints or cropping without external software. Dynamic range is another highlight, with Canon Log 2 delivering over 16 stops of exposure latitude, essential for nuanced post-production work. Canon Log 3 is also available for streamlined color grading and reduced noise in shadowy scenes. The autofocus system is a cornerstone of the EOS R1's prowess. Introducing cross-type dual-pixel intelligent AF, Canon enables autofocus points sensitive to both horizontal and vertical details, dramatically improving precision in challenging lighting or contrast conditions. Action Priority Mode leverages deep learning to recognize and prioritize specific actions in fast-paced sports, tracking not just players but the ball and the intent of the moment. The Eye Control AF system, refined from previous models, lets users shift focus simply by looking through the viewfinder, offering near-instantaneous, intuitive control, even when wearing glasses. Advanced tracking maintains lock on moving subjects, even if briefly obscured, while low-light AF ensures reliable performance in the dimmest environments. Performance is relentless, with blackout-free continuous shooting at up to 40 frames per second using the electronic shutter. The EOS R1 captures the decisive moment with ease. A pre-continuous shooting feature buffers critical frames before the shutter is fully depressed, ensuring that fleeting instants are never missed. The electronic shutter's top speed of 1/64,000th second freezes even the fastest action, while a robust buffer and dual CF Express Type B slots support extended bursts and simultaneous backups, vital for professional workflows. Stabilization is equally impressive. The 5-axis in-body image stabilizer offers up to 8.5 stops of compensation at the center, allowing for sharp handheld shots in low light or at long focal lengths. When shooting video, IBIS combines with optical and digital stabilization to deliver smooth, stable footage, with horizon leveling to keep compositions true. Video capabilities are comprehensive, supporting 6K 60p RAW internal recording and 4K 120p for dramatic slow-motion effects. Dual shooting mode allows simultaneous capture of high-resolution stills and video, ideal for hybrid event coverage. Canon's signature log profiles, custom picture controls, and professional exposure tools ensure cinematic flexibility and control. Ergonomics and durability are paramount. The magnesium alloy body is lighter and more compact than its DSLR predecessor, yet maintains legendary weather sealing and robustness. The integrated vertical grip, customizable controls, and high-resolution OLED electronic viewfinder provide comfort and confidence in any scenario. Connectivity options, including Wi-Fi 6E, 2.5G, Ethernet, Bluetooth, USB-C, and cloud integration, streamline image transfer and remote workflow for time-critical professionals. The Canon EOS R1 stands as a testament to Canon's relentless pursuit of excellence. For those who require precision, speed, and reliability under pressure, it is more than a camera. It is a trusted partner, ready to deliver outstanding results wherever the story unfolds.